Okay guys, so I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number and a mixed number to an improper fraction. And then I have the example problem that you sent me right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with an improper. An improper means that this number is bigger than the bottom number. And so we need to divide in order to get a mixed number. So the way you're going to set this up, this is saying 7 divided by 2. So when I set up my little division problem, I'm going to put my 7 in the box, my 2 out here. 2 goes into 7 3 times, so I'm going to put a 3 right above the 7. And 2 times 3 is 6, so I'm going to subtract, and I get a 1. So now this is where the fraction part comes in. This will be the numerator of your fraction. This is the denominator. So your 1 will go up here and your 2 will go right there. So this is your mixed number. Okay, I'll show you the same with this one over here. This is the same thing as saying 9 divided by 4. So I'm going to put 9 in the box, 4 on the outside. 4 goes into 9 2 times. And 4 times 2 is 8. You want to get, when you're trying to figure out how many times it goes in, you want to get as close as you can to this number because I know it doesn't go in evenly. 9 minus 8 is 1. And so then again, this is the top part of my fraction. This is the bottom part. So we're 1/4. So 2 and 1/4 is my mixed number. Okay, so this problem was weird. I stared at it for a little bit because I was a little confused. But what they're saying essentially is this is not correct. What is the correct way to write this? Well, if we were to solve this problem, we know that this is the same thing as 7 divided by 3. So I'm going to set up my problem that way. 7 in the box, 3 on the outside. 3 goes into 7 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. I have 1 left over. So this is my remainder, I guess. I guess they wanted you to write it in a remainder form, but if I were to write it in like mixed number form, this would be my top part of my fraction, and that would be the bottom. But it looks like they have it in remainder form, so remainder 1, because I just have 1 left over. And so see, I used all the same numbers that they had. They, I guess, just wanted you to reorder them in the correct way. So this is the correct way. If they wanted you to do a mixed fraction, you would get 2 and 1/3, because I used the 1 and the 3. Okay, and then going from a mixed number to an improper is really easy. There's like a cute little chant that you can sing. It's called bottom times the side plus the top. Woo! So you go bottom times the side, 5 times 1 plus the top. So bottom times the side is 5 plus the top is 8. So that's the top number. And then the bottom number just always stays the same. And that's your improper, okay? If I did the same thing over here, bottom times the side plus the top. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 3 is 17, and my bottom number just stays the same. And that's it.